Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, today I am talking about how to repair old documents as shown in figure. Go to insert tab, select the picture, click on this device, otherwise you can upload picture, online picture if internet is available. Otherwise offline, go to offline, click on this device, select the picture and insert. Here we can see that this picture is not looking good. First of all, go to picture star groups of command, click on format picture dialog launcher, select picture. Here we can adjust sharpness, slide through slide. We can also adjust brightness of documents. It is looking beautiful as compared to previous one. Select picture, save as picture, change the name, select desktop, click on save. Here you can see this is the old one and this is the document which I have recently repaired. Go back to Microsoft Word. Second option is select picture format, go to correction option. Here you can also select various options. Click on which match your need. Click on sharpness. Here we can also change the color of documents. I think this is much better. If we want to repair this text, go to insert tab, click on shape, draw here, shape fill to white and shape outline to no outline. If you want to delete this sentence, go to insert tab, click on shape, select shape, draw on it, go to shape fill white and shape outline no. We can also add documents with paint. First of all, select the picture, open with paint. Here select rectangular, click on and press delete from keyboard. Select this and press delete. Select this, press delete. If you want to repair this signature, then go to eraser, select and click, select and click. Select and click. More zoom option, you can clear more documents. Select and click. I think this is looking good. Click on save, close paint. Now open first document and this is the editable documents. Go to Microsoft Word, go to file and convert this document to PDF. Select desktop and publish. Now the documents are converted into PDF. Word document are converted into PDF. If you like video, please like, subscribe channel, and please comments. Thank you.